Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to my Star Atlas recap of the latest Lore Keepers from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Lore Keepers was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. Welcome back, citizens of Gallia, to another deep dive into the ever-expanding universe of Star Atlas. This week's Lorekeeper session felt like a massive turning point for the community, as our host, Jose the Penguin, finally pulled back the curtain on a project years in the making. The vibe was a mix of late-night excitement and raw creative energy, as Jose officially released the alpha version of the Star Atlas Lore Wiki. This isn't just a simple website. It's a massive, vibe-coded encyclopedia that represents the single largest release of lore in the project's history. The narrative of the event centered on the sheer scale of information now available to players. Jose walked the community through the wiki's main hubs, starting with a breakdown of over 70 different factions. While we all know the big players like the Mud ONI and UST, this update digs into the grit and grease of the Gallia expanse, detailing everything from the merchant princes of the Nebula to the shadowy, dark sects of the Ustor. The level of detail is staggering. Jose mentioned that he's already cataloged over 700 named characters, each with their own backstories, ages, and motivations. In a particularly exciting turn for those looking forward to the future of gameplay, the discussion shifted to how this lore integrates with the upcoming C4 Sage systems. Jose shared what he calls the gold standard for system lore, explaining that every single region and planet in the game will have a rich history, resource breakdown, and key personnel list attached to it. This means that as players explore the map, they aren't just looking at coordinates. They are stepping into worlds with established political tensions and ancient histories. The event also took some dark and fascinating detours into specific faction secrets. We learned about the Redan government, a neutral, Switzerland-like human colony that acts as a diplomatic bridge in the medium-risk zone, though it's currently being infiltrated by Mud interests. The mood got even heavier when the conversation turned to the Ustor's dark sects. Jose described groups like the Hollow Core, who commit the ultimate crime in Ustor culture by harvesting the souls and memories of their peers to empower their own robotic cores. Throughout the session, the community was front and center, with members like VB sparking deep dives into specific files and characters like Chad XB from the Never Alone campaign. Jose emphasized that this wiki is an open-source labor of love, inviting the community to contribute concept art, help squash bugs, and suggest new entries. He noted that there is now enough foundation here to write dozens of novels, and he wants the community to help build that library. To wrap things up, the message was clear. The era of lore hunting has officially begun. Jose encouraged everyone to dive into the wiki, find their favorite factions, and come prepared for the next Lore Keepers with questions and theories. While the wiki is still in its alpha stage, it serves as the definitive roadmap for the soul of the Star Atlas universe. So grab a drink, head over to the link, and start studying. The next Atlas brew is just around the corner, and the galaxy has never felt more alive. See you in the stars.